Welcome to my channel. I'm your host GL, and today's video is packed with easy exercises about electrode. What unit is used to measure electrode potential? A. Ampere. B. Ohm. Volt. D. Watt. E. Joule. The correct answer is C. Volt. What is the standard electrode potential measured against? A. Copper electrode. B. Silver electrode. C. Platinum electrode. Gold electrode. E. Hydrogen electrode. The correct answer is E. Hydrogen electrode. By the way, if you're enjoying the video so far, do me a quick favor and hit that like button. It really helps support the channel, and it only takes a second. In the electrochemical series, which metals are more likely to corrode? A. Those with more positive electrode potentials. B. Those with more negative electrode potentials. C. Those in the middle of the series. D. Those with zero electrode potential. E. Electrode potential does not affect corrosion likelihood. The correct answer is B. Those with more negative electrode potentials. If you're looking for more exercises to test your knowledge, there's also a link in the description for you. Thanks for sticking around till the end. If you enjoyed the video and want to see more content like this, make sure to hit that subscribe button. Thanks for watching.